Yes, people. So it's a very sad day. We all know that Shenseea lose her mom this morning. It's a very tragic situation. The whole day, everybody does are sending them condolences. Everybody are trying to reach out to Shenseea. And Jada Kingdom was no different. You see me? We all know says Jada Kingdom and Shenseea is not the best of friends. They used to be friends and they're not friends anymore. But however, she did the right thing and she reached out to Shenseea. You see me? She made a post and I'm going to tell you what she post soon. Also, you know what I mean? All of the celebrities they make posts like there was Spice, Spice did the under the story, rubbish, everybody. Steph London, Dovey Magnum, everybody does a try to reach out to Shenseea and I try to, send them condolences and thing. You see me? However, Popcorn had like a voice note where Shenseea call him or voice note him, I'm sorry, and like our moms did and our moms attack to Papis too. You see me? So we're gonna play that voice note there for you and make you hear what Papi say before we get on to what Jada said to Shenseea. Alright? So listen to this voice note.
Him, and they're playing that popcorn here and now in gone ballad.
No, sir. Popcorn. No, sir. Then you hear my mother?
Yeah.
You hear my mother? No, we have to go fix this. This not safe. Trouble. What?
Yeah, people, so we hear what Shenseea mother say about Popcorn, right? So it's just so sad because I one of them mother there where artist mother there where everybody know. Just like how everybody know Miss Rona, you see what I say? Everybody know Shenseea mother from, from Shenseea Instagram. And, so it's just make it just real sad. And like me say again, people, right now, I understand like she is sick, but I still don't know what kind of sickness it was or whatever. You know what I mean? When I have the full information, and however we are trying to keep it at a way where we are respect the family said we not just want to fling up any kind of news about the family. So me I try to, pick and choose what we really talk about and telling about like this now, Jada Kingdom reaching out because we know the history between them. I wanted to show no, so she had do the right thing. You know what I mean? I have to respect Jada because more than likely Jada know Shenseea mother like that. They used to be friends. More than likely she used to go around Shenseea moms and things. So she had to do the right thing for just reach out to Shenseea and few words or whatever. So let me get into what Jada said. Jada make a post on her story and she had this to say to Shenseea. You see what I say? So Jada said, at Shenseea, I just got the sad news that your mother passed away. Regardless of our differences we have had over the years, today I am standing up to respectfully send my condolences to you and your family. Your mother was your backbone and beyond. I can't imagine the pain you must be going through right now. And I know there are no words that can really help at a time like this. But you made her so proud and will continue to do so. I know you will find the right amount of strength to pull through this terrible phase. One day at a time. Prayers up. R.I.P. Mama Shen. You see me? So big up Jada upon that. We know like people, it's just crazy times right now with all what go on in our world, and then if you lose a loved one in the midst of all this is just sad. You see me? So we know that Shenseea get a raw deal currently, like she a deal with a lot. You see me? But hopefully she will find it if we accept Jada. You know what I mean? And hopefully from yesterday, then can move on together and be. I don't know if they're going to be friends or not. But, hopefully them can have at least a mutual thing go on. You see me? It's always good for you have a competitor in the music. But I will rate the fact that Jada reach out and try to say something. Because, a lot of people may not look on Jada right now and see if Jada go say nothing or what, but it's kind of like subconsciously expected, like if she go say something or maybe not, and we say she say something. So at least me did that thing about it. I wonder like, with Jada really I go say something or not, but me never see she said nothing. Like she said, she just get the message. So she finally said something, and she had Shenseea, so more than likely Shenseea go get the message. People are going to send it to Shenseea. Shenseea go see it. She must know about it. You see what I say? So big up Jada for that. Big up Shenseea. And again, rest in peace, Mama Shen. Me not really know her name like that. A Mama Shen, everybody I call her Mama Yang. You see what I say? All of that good because we know how that go and what it is for, right? It's Shenseea we represent for. Shenseea mother, she a mother Shen. You see me I say one of the dancehall mothers. We have Miss Rona and I don't know who else I think of right now, but you know what I mean, people. You see me? So please get in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this. Jada doing the right thing. And also, send some more RIPs. Shenseea, we don't see much from her today. As expected, we don't think she got post that much because she got through her trials right now. So, I say Ramesh make a couple posts too, but them not really say nothing. You see me? And like me, I say people, that's expected. We not expect them to really dip on social media and rare because this is the loss of a loved one. It's not like, I don't know where people are going to really talk like that. Them are grief and, we want to be respectful to the family and try to, report upon what is worth you have reporting. And when I just want to run in upon everything or go stir up nothing. So, you understand what I say? Like this now, like me I telling them, I just telling you what Jada say. So big up Jada once again and big up Shenseea and hopefully it's accepted. Me like to see it. I don't know if you like to see it. Get in the comment section and tell me that. Yeah, like I was saying, people, Shenseea did make a lot of posts, but I did find one post where it looked like a from Twitter, right? So somebody reposted this from Twitter and Shenseea say, "Nobody never yet left me. Mommy, you gave me my first heartbreak. Me, I go forever love you though." Right? So we don't have to really go over again how Shenseea and her mother relationship go. Everybody know that. But the question what I want to ask people, I ask it this morning when I make the video, and I say if anybody know over put in the comment section is if Shenseea have other siblings. Because we really don't know that. I don't know. So I say, so if anybody out there will know if Shenseea have other brother and sister, put in the comment section. Because at this point it kind of look like Shenseea is our only child. We never really think about them things, or we never really concerned with them until that time like this now, where something like this happen, we can't help but for wonder like if she have other sibling. And not me alone I ask it, me hear other people ask it, me depend live and or other people live and hear people ask in the comment section and them thing there. So we're just curious about that too, because that would have more easy efficiency that she have brothers and sister for grief with, right? Other than she have to just, take all of the pain and pressure by herself. You see me? Even though, you still have the Ramesh team and all of them always support each other, like I said in the other video. You have Jada, you have Escobar, you have DJ Black Boy, you have Ramesh himself, Ding Dong, and TJ, everybody. Where they TJ lose some friends and we see how that got them support TJ too. You see me? So, people, it's rough time in 2020. Everybody just be safe out there, said way too. And, for anybody else out there who, celebrity or not, who lost a loved one or whatever you're going to, my heart goes out to you. I never really know personally what I go on, but more that hope say, everybody be strong and be up. You see me? Because these times, the way things are going at 2020, we don't know really what, we don't know why next thing I go forward. But, we just want to send some prayers out for Shenseea and make sure, say, yeah, she good. You see me? And again, like Jada, just big up Jada for do the right thing. You see me? It really take a lot from a person to really stand up and just decide, say, yo, in a case like this, it don't matter about no music, it don't matter about what we have or whatever. So I say, big woman thing, between the two of them, just like, just reach out to her because, God forbid if it was the other way around, I think Shenseea would have reached out to. You see me? Even if she, her management to the advisor, if a Jada management advisor, whatever it is, however it is, it doesn't even matter. It just matters that she did it. You see what I say? So, big her up for that. Yeah, people. So once again, just get in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about what Jada said. And still, if you don't want to leave a RIP for Shenseea mother and condolences to Shenseea, go ahead and do that also too. Alright? All right, so other than that, thank you for watching this video.